The keyword for Ox in Rooster 2017 is once again connections. You will see plenty of helping hands assisting you throughout the year from someone senior, a colleague, friend, or supervisor who's very supportive and will lend you a helping hand to guide you when you need. Your financial luck is looking good. In fact, why not invest in stock or real estate? But remember to do your homework and don't be greedy. If you're working for commissions or as a freelancer, you will be doing well this year. However, beware of theft or scam and do not lend money to others. Career luck is good, especially for those working for government or in police force or security industry. Promotions, raise, or even new job is coming your way, and if you've been thinking about starting your own business, Rooster 2017 is the time to do so. Remember to be modest to avoid jealous coworkers trying to stab you in the back. You will get help through your connections from a coworker, friend, or family member. Romance-wise, for the singles, since your career luck is pretty good this year, you should definitely look around among coworkers or their friends of circles. For those in a relationship, spend more time with each other. Remember to communicate and do not listen to the gossips trying to break you two apart. Health is your main concern this year, especially if you have any chronic disease and you're more vulnerable to accidents this year. So pay attention to your driving habits and try not to give yourself too much pressure. Exercise more and watch your diet. Take the elders to annual checkup and try to volunteer and donate to charities. Best lunar months are January, April, November, and December, and stay alert in June, August, and September. Best colors are cyan and green, and best numbers are 3 and 8. And surround yourself with people in the signs of snake, roosters, and rat.